you've got a repower, you don't have a lot of room, but you want a lot of power, this is the solution.
Our customers are really enjoying using solid-state batteries.
Powered with the solid-state batteries, which makes it possible to make it as small as it is.
Hi everybody, Tom Califf here at the Newport International Boat Show. One of our captains, one of our favorites here, Captain Tristan Raynes from the Ohana fishing boat.
Yep, we're happy here to be at the show, and the booth has been busy for the last couple of days. So solid-state batteries have been coming in great this season, with starting off with TOG in the spring. And then this summer we were using the batteries on the trolling motor for setting up drifts on the fluke and the sea bass grounds. And now we're kind of going right back into TOG season. We have a Seakeeper 2 on the 32 CV. We originally took out 3 batteries and replaced with 1 single solid state. Taking that weight off the boat has made a difference in fuel economy, and then the reliability and more power that I'm getting in the Seakeeper. It's not, I can turn my engines off where I never was able to turn them off. And so that's a huge safety thing now, turning the engines off, and I can get away from the helm and not worry about somebody tripping over the throttle.
So when we develop these batteries, that's what we're thinking about. It's integration with the trolling motors, integration with Seakeepers, integration with outboards. It all came together in your boat.
Yeah, it really did, and it's been, this is the second full year of handling the batteries, and the performance is unbelievable, and I couldn't be happier.
Hi, I'm Kirk Fitzsimmons with Solid State Marine Battery. I'm here at the 2025 Newport Boat Show here at Tent B.
Alex Petty with Solid State. How we doing, guys?
Yeah, we're super excited to be here this year. This is our second year here at the show, and a lot's happened in a year. So we won a joint award today with Cay Electronics with their Cube, the KeyCube, which is a gen replacement with our solid state battery technology. We're here putting the new product in the new product showcase. It is our new 6TL form factor, which is more of a suitcase style of form factor. It's a unique build for some unique tight spaces.
What's really neat about that battery is you can lay it on its side and you can stack them. So if you have a little bit of a room constraint here, this would be perfect for you. We offer it in 12 to 48 volts. In the 12 volt battery, it's a 300 amp hour. You can put 3 or 4 right on top of each other and get crazy amounts of time on use. If you have any questions on how to set things up, or if you have any questions on how the battery operates, feel free to give us a call.
These solid state batteries are super reliable, super power dense, nice and light. So if you've got a repower or a house bank, you don't have a lot of room, but you want a lot of power, this is the solution. For house banks, the biggest thing is time away from the dock. Most people were looking at like 1 or 2 nights away from the dock before the solid state batteries, and we're looking at a week plus away from the dock after doing the switch. I recently replaced a 15-gallon fuel tank with 30 kilowatt 48 volt system. That boat has about 140 miles of cruising range.
So 15 gallons of fuel versus 300 pounds of battery. And
right.
in the range is amazing.
It's pretty much a wash. We actually lost about 150 pounds over the old system, and everybody's been super happy with these batteries.
I'm here with Rufus from Cay Electronics. We're here to talk about this brand new, innovative, award-winning KeyCube.
Hi, I'm Rufus with Cay Electronics. We're the company that designed and built the KeyCube here in Portsmouth, Rhode Island. And we're super proud that today at the Newport International Boat Show, we were awarded the Most Innovative Product Award by Cruising World magazine. Powered with the solid-state batteries, which makes it possible to make it as small as it is. It's basically a solid-state generator, which means it puts out 110 and 220 volt AC power using the internal batteries. It allows you to run your air conditioning on the boat for a whole weekend without having smell and noise. Thanks to Kirk and his company, we're able to make it possible. So you can use it as a generator boost. You can have a small generator, and this can provide the additional power when you need it. You can use it in an off-grid home where you can run your electrical appliances and then during the day regenerate using solar power. And you could also throw it in the back of a pickup truck and take it to a remote job site and use it to run all the power tools before the electrical supply gets installed.
Just want to say thank you very much. Congratulations on a great project, great partnership.
Thank you.
And congratulations on the Best Innovation Award.
It's all part of the partnership.
Thank you.
Thank you.
How's it going, guys? Jamie here with RC Marine Electric. We're down here at Newport Boat Show offering a bunch of stuff. We're here with Solid State Marine as well. Nowadays, boats just need more and more power on board. People are adding more and more stuff, more and more toys, all the gadgets and things like that. And Solid State Marine is a great option for your boat to just get that extra capacity and use out of your boat. Perfect for just a drop-in scenario, fishing boats, sailboats, any of those things, especially high output uses. If you're using large inverters or anything like that, our customers are really enjoying using solid state batteries with their inverters and having tons of power to play with on their boats.